Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and then opening the Azure portal. Make sure you have an active subscription and role permissions. You need the ability to create resource groups and SQL servers. Next, pick or create the resource group in the target region and decide a clear naming scheme. Finally, prepare the SQL server admin username and a strong password. Once done, navigate to create a resource, search for Azure SQL, and select Single Database to start the provisioning wizard. You will now configure the database and underlying server in the portal. Choose a compute model, DTU for simplicity or vCore for predictable scaling, and set performance and storage. Configure backup retention and collation to match your app requirements, because restoring and sorting depend on that. Next, set networking. Decide between public endpoint with firewall rules and private VNet integration for security. Make sure to add your client IP or service tags. Once configured, you finish by validating deployment and connecting your application. Go to the database overview, copy the ADU, NET or odd connection string, and update your app settings or connect with SSMS using the admin credentials. Consider enabling Azure AD authentication for centralized identity or keep SQL auth if required. Once connected, run a simple query to verify. If you cannot connect, first check firewall rules and server state. Next, confirm network configuration and correct credentials. These are the most common causes of failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.